Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you another unboxing from your queen of unboxing. Okay guys, so the first unboxing, I got two unboxing for this video. So the first unboxing is this. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I ripped it. So let's see what's in here. Oh, Dame Shirley Bassey. Oh, that is nice. This is CD, guys.
Yeah.
This time it's not a Blu-ray. This is CD. This is music. Shirley Bassey. Oh, I love Shirley Bassey. I think she has the best. She got this very, very, very nice voice. Very, what do you call that? The best voice in the world. She is my all-time favorite. Oh, so she is a Dame Shirley Bassey. And look at this here. So these are the music, almost there. Huh? These are the songs, almost there. Apartment, this time, I love you now, our time is now. As good is my witness, no good about goodbye. The girl from Tiger Bay, nice man, after the rain, the performance of my life. So which one is the thing here, darling? Which one is the best? Because I don't know the other songs.
Tiger Bay one, I think.
Tiger Bay.
Yeah. This is where she was born
Yeah.
in Wales.
So she's from Wales.
Yeah.
Oh, so she's English.
Welsh.
Oh, she's Wales. Yeah, but she's in from UK.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Because English is in England, and Wales is part of UK, and England is part of UK, and Scotland and Ireland, half of Ireland. Yeah, so that's why it's called UK, United Kingdom. Yeah, alright. Okay, so this is Dame Shirley Bassey. Oh my gosh. I haven't seen her for a long time. So it's good you got this for me, darling. Thank you so much. I think we've been watching her like a week ago.
Yeah, documentaries.
Yeah, the documentary.
Old documentary.
Yeah. So this is nice. Oh, you make me happy, darling. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my darling.
I love it. Oh, I like her earrings. It's a dangling earrings. Wow. Amazing. And she's pretty. Alright. Okay, let's open it, guys, and see what's inside. Oh, look at that. This is the one that I remember. That and that dress. So this is the thing. Oh, it's
made to look like a vinyl record.
really. Oh yeah. So let's see if there's a picture behind. Oh, there's no picture behind. So just like that. So I'll put it up. Oh, so they put unicorn. Is that unicorn? Unicorn in there.
Maybe.
Is that a symbol of Wales?
I don't know. Maybe.
Oh, maybe it's from
Unless
this.
it is the record label.
Yeah, maybe it's the record label. Oh, so that's nice. Red. That is so cute. Amazing. Wow. How old is she now, darling?
Not sure. 70 something, I presume.
Okay. She's still young. Young at heart.
Yeah.
And she still sings. Her voice is still there. the famous
I
voice?
haven't seen her singing or heard her
Only in
singing
the
for about 7
documentary.
years at least, maybe longer.
Yeah. Only the one in the documentary, the one
Yeah,
is.
that was,
What is the last one that she sang?
not sure, maybe in Glastonbury, about
Glastonbury.
some years ago.
Mm.
I'm not sure if she is still singing or whether she's retired.
How about the James Bond?
A long, long time ago.
Oh, long time ago. Oh,
Yeah,
right, okay. In
1964, Goldfinger.
yeah, okay.
1971, Diamonds Are
Oh,
Forever.
so that's very
And
long
about
time.
1985-ish for Moonraker. So this is her last
Moonraker.
one.
So she got several songs in James Bond.
3.
3 songs.
Yeah, she was the only singer who sang
Oh,
3 Bond themes.
she's the only one. Yeah, because she got very nice voice.
I
Very,
think they
very
should have had her
strong.
sing all of them, as far as I'm
Yeah.
concerned. Or at least most of them.
And her songs from the James Bond is not here.
That's a shame.
Yeah.
But I think we got them on the Bond CD.
Oh, right, okay. Alright, okay. I can't wait to listen to this music. I'll put it in my study. In the player there. CD
Yes.
player. Alright, okay guys. Thank you for watching.
Still another
Oh,
one.
no. There's another one, guys. So this is the first unboxing. I almost forgot. Okay, so this is the second one. Twink. Let's see. Wow, it's another CD. Another Shirley Bassey. Oh, oh my gosh, there is in here Goldfinger. Diamonds Are Forever. Wonderful. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Never, never, never. New York, New York. Oh my gosh, all the big songs in here. Big Spender. The lady is a tramp. As long as he needs me. Something. I who have nothing. I want to know what love is. This is my life. I wish you love. I am what I am. Oh my gosh,
Yeah, this is
these are the best
the nice one.
songs. Oh my gosh. Also, this is includes DVD.
Yeah, apparently there's CD and DVD.
Oh my gosh, so that's amazing. So what's in the? It's what's in the DVD.
I'm not sure whether it's
Oh,
her
it's
singing those songs or whether it's...
the DVD is live in Antwerp, the Diamond Awards Festival tour, and there's songs in there as well. Goldfinger, Diamonds Are Forever, Wonderful, Kiss Me, Honey, Honey, Kiss Me, Never, Never, New York, New York, Big Spender, The Lady is a Trump, As Long as He Needs Me, Something, I Who Have Nothing, I Want to Know What Love Is, This Is My Life, I Wish You Love, I Am What I Am. See, it's there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I love this. I can listen to this all day. This is amazing. This is a happy song, all of that. And happy and famous song.
Yeah, some of the best songs.
Yeah, the best songs. Oh, that's why I said earlier that in here there is no the one that I know.
Yeah, not that famous.
But you give me a surprise and it's here. Oh my god. This is a big surprise. Thank you so much, darling. And
You're
it's
welcome,
two,
my
the
darling.
CD and DVD. Oh
You
my
have to open it.
lord.
Can you open
Amazing. Okay, let's open it. Let's open.
it? Open Sesame.
Open sesame. Oh my gosh. I am so happy today. It's a good day today for me. Yes. Oh, look at that. Isn't that she pretty? Uy, anak. Oh my. It's open. It comes off.
Hope it's not scratched.
I'll check. No, it's not scratch.
Yeah.
So that is at the back here. That are the songs in there.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
is that the CD?
So this is, yeah, this is the CD. This is the CD. So, oh, amazing. And this is the
The DVD?
DVD. Let's see what's behind it. Yeah, there. So that's what in there. Here. Oh, so this got lots of songs then, because the CD and the DVD. Wow, this won't be enough for one day for me to listen and watch the DVD. So also diamonds are forever in there. Yeah. Oh, let's put it here carefully. So that's it. Oh, I'm so happy. It's so nice. Love, love, love. So that's
Yes.
okay. And this is like that. Open it at the back. So that's how it looks. Amazing. I like her gesture like that. Open arms. So it means so inviting. Like she's open to everyone. Love, love, love. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's nice. I like it. So, so, so nice. Amazing. So I got two CDs. Oh my lord. Miss Shirley Bassey. Dame Shirley Bassey.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, my darling.
I love it. Okay. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.